All right, guys. Welcome back to another video. You're on Viral Monitor channel. I think this is the second video since I resumed making content here on YouTube. If you haven't watched my previous video about iMerit, I would advise you to check it, okay, or check it in the description box or in the comment section, the link to it. So today we're going to be talking about another platform, which is Uber AI solution. And Uber AI is like a car service company, just like Bolt here in Nigeria. And they also have an AI data annotation site where you can go label data, record audio, record videos, and you get paid for doing this task absolutely for free. I think the last time I shared a tax for Nigerians where they were offering 2,500 naira. Currently, there is a tax where they are offering 4,800 naira per tax. So Uber AI, although the tasks are not frequent, I believe it's just like a side income or a side hustle where time to time where there are tasks, you could do them and then make something out of it. So this site is a very straightforward site. You just need to watch the video. I'm going to show you my own account, how I created it, and I'm going to show you the pros and cons of my account. And then I'm going to also show you how to create your account here from Nigeria without any VPN or proxy. So, and you'll be able to withdraw your money directly to your bank account. So make sure to watch this video to the end. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and share this video to your friend. And also let me know what you think in the comment section. Let's get right into the video, guys. All right, so guys, this is my Uber AI account. As you can see, Uber solution account. You can see I currently have $10 per tax offer right here. I actually completed a tax for $8, which you can see has been initiated. Although I'll tell you guys a lot about why you're seeing this failed on my account, so that you get to know, and also you get to know why I am being paid $10 per tax. So to get started with Uber AI, you just need to head over, all right, or the link will be in the description or in the comment section. All right, and you can use that to register for Uber. So once you click on the link, which would be in the description or comment section, you'll be redirected to this page. So you'll be redirected to this page where you would have to input your email. So I'm going to be using my aunt's detail so that I will take you guys through the whole process. So I'm going to now request for a code. All right, so after receiving the code, I'm just going to put in the code right now. And then you can see that you now have to put in your first and your last name. So I'm going to put her first and her last name. Okay. So we'll proceed with that. Agree to this terms and condition. And let's see what next. So you can see everything has been set. So we need to put in a recovery phone or a pass key. So I could just keep this. So accept this. And this is where the real deal is. All right. So you have to choose your country. So as usual, please select Nigeria if you're from Nigeria. Whatever country you are from, select. So country of origin. Yes, it's the same as country of residence. I declare yes, and then you finish. This is how your dashboard will look like. You can see there are currently some tax here. There is a tax 16 naira. There is a tax of approximately 1,700. There is also a 2,000 naira per tax and a 2,000 naira per tax. Now, in order for you to unlock all this, your skill has to match what the tax is about. So you can see for this 2,000 naira tax, we have a prompt and response creation, we have a content writing and rewriting job, and then we also have a prompt and response creation and a prompt and response evaluation. So we'll try to make sure these are part of our CV or part of the skills we have. So let's go with the onboarding. So click on onboarding. So on onboarding, you can see we have data labeling, we have language evaluation, we have language translation, we have domain specialist, and we have coding. So for you guys, I would advise you go with this. All right, either the annotate image, which is the data labeling, okay, and the domain specialist, that is if you're good in technology, business, law, whatever it is. Just go with the data, all right, labeling, and then hit on next. So I think right now I have to put a proof of identity, which is NIN, put a degree, and then put a resume. So these are all things that you can definitely fill. I believe you all have this. So all right guys, so I've filled every necessary details, and I'm just going to hit on next. The verification, according to them, says may take up to 4 days. So okay, and then I'll just view and accept the contract, confirm, and then I would confirm and finish. So I think we should be good to go. All right, so you can see now it's now requiring me to fill the bank details and also set up my availability. So to view, add bank details, you click on it, and when you do that, you're going to see bank account. You click on bank account. All right, so you put in your name. Okay, so make sure it matches. Then you put in address and city, then bank account number, and also bank Swift code. So I'm going to fill in all these details. So I'm going to tell you guys what to do. You already know your bank address, you already know this, your bank account number. Now most times people always have issue with this Swift and BIC code, and it's just a simple thing. For example, if I'm using UBA bank, I just need to say UBA bank Swift, okay, stroke BIC code. And you see, the good thing about Google is it's going to recommend it for you, and you can see this is it. This is clearly what they want you to put. So this is it here. Sorry, this is the real thing here, not the one with XXX. So this is the real thing here. So you just need to search. Let's say you're using First Bank. Let's say First Bank. So you get, so if you don't know or you're not getting the right one, you can decide to email your bank support, and they are going to send it to you or give it to you. So that's what you need to put here. Now for the sort code, okay, I think the sort code too is for the bank also. So the sort code, you also look for the sort code of the bank. If you don't know this, you can ask your bank, okay? You can ask your bank. So just get these details correctly before you input them here. Put in your date of birth and your place of birth, and then submit. That is all about the account details section. So the next is your availability. So you're going to set up your availability. So as much as possible, I try to set up all that I'm available all the time. So you can see it's available max. So 8 hours, 9 to, all right, 17. So that's about 8 hours or so. So I save this, and I am good to go. So what else do they want me to set? So it's still the bank account details, which I might not be able to do in this video to keep things short, but just put that in. All right, put that in. Now you're going to be receiving tags, and you're in my community on Telegram, on X, wherever it is. These are places where you're going to get first-hand information about upcoming tags or upcoming opportunity on Uber AI. So back to my account. So So this is my account on Uber AI, and this account, while creating it, I used US as my location as opposed to Nigeria, and that's why I advised you people not to use US but to use Nigeria, because you might be getting this better pay with the US, but now the problem is going to be the payment aspect. Now you can see they have been trying to send me pay, or trying to pay me, since the last tax I completed, which was $8 since the 1st of April, but it has been failing. And that's because even this one now that's currently showing paid is still going to fail, and that's because of my tax details. Now because I chose US, all right, they are asking me for an employer identification number, and if I choose to change this, okay, if I choose to edit this and maybe go with okay, if I choose to go with I am an individual, you can see now they are also asking for a social security number, which only US citizens can have. So my only way out of this right now is probably which I intend to do, is to create a US business account. I have sources of creating business account, so if I'm able to create this US business account, I'll be able to get this employer identification number, because this one is much better to get. Anyone at all, as far as you create a business in the US, you can get an EIN, but an SSN requires you to be a US citizen to get it. So you can see I'm currently hooked regarding this tax detail, and that is why you can see this payout has been showing failed, and that is why currently you can see I am yet to even do this tax. So please create the account with your specific location, so that you'll be able to verify every necessary thing, and you would do your tax seamlessly and get paid seamlessly. So that's it about this video. Thank you everyone, and make sure, don't forget to share this video to your friends.